How to tell if they're wasting your time, 5 red flags to watch out for. Are you wasting your time with someone that you're not sure whether they're going to commit or not? Or have you been thinking, how do you know if they're actually serious or not? Are they actually into me or not? Today I'm going to break down 5 red flags to look for. Let's go. Red flag number 1, they're inconsistent. One day they're super into you, the next day they're not at all. One day they're texting you all the time, the next day they're not. They disappear from days, think it's normal to not let you know what's happening, and they leave you guessing for a lot of time. When someone's into you, they don't do that. Second red flag, they don't define what's happening between you. You've been seeing each other for months, but any conversation that puts a label on what's happening, they avoid. Notice it with the conversation. Notice if they shift the conversation into something else so they can specifically avoid any labeling or just talking about it in any shape or form. This is a sign they want the benefits of a relationship without the commitment. Third red flag, you feel like you're always chasing them and making plans. If you're the one putting all the effort in and they're not putting any effort back, you're going to start building resentment and the whole thing's going downhill. It's not mutual effort if you're doing all the work. And if you have an anxious and attachment style, then more likely that you're going to overgive, become a people pleaser, and start questioning your worth every step of the way. Just a heads up, below there's a link so that you can get a free assessment on your attachment style so you know which one you are and how to fix it. Fourth red flag, they don't respect your boundary. If you say that you're not comfortable with something and then they keep on pushing that boundary, that's a huge problem because love is about respect. More than likely, they haven't ever had anyone that set a boundary. They're used to getting their own way. Then they're going to get annoyed if they don't get their own way. And this can be seen as attention, passion, and love, but it's not, because love is respectful. If your partner cannot respect a boundary that you set, it's time to have a conversation. No relationship will work without mutual setting of boundaries. It's important that you set your boundaries. It's also important that you respect your partner's boundaries. And the fifth red flag, deep down, you already know. In your gut, you feel anxious when you're around them, or because they're inconsistent, it makes you feel like there's this push and pull. And in the past, you might have thought that that is attraction, or that's what chemistry is, or that's what butterflies. But love shouldn't make you feel confused. Love should be consistent, reliable, safe, and trustworthy. And anything outside of that is probably excitement, or you're attracting to past behaviors that you've learned to be attracted to, which unfortunately have continued to give you bad results. A lot of people say, well, Ed, I'm attracted to the wrong people. And you're attracted to the wrong person because the wrong person comes with all of these perceived good things, which are confidence, outgoingness, charisma, but that is shadowed by all of the toxic traits underneath it. When you have a love that's respectful, kind, and caring, then in time you're also going to notice those charismatic, charming traits too. Just a heads up, I'm running a free training, the 3 problems stopping you getting the relationship you deserve and how to fix it. You can click the link below, register completely free, and I'd love to see you live. Because you're not alone, hit that subscribe. I got you.